Let me be real with you. A college degree alone is not what's getting people into identity and access management in 2026. What's actually getting people hired is certifications, plus hands on experience you can actually talk about during interviews. I've seen this firsthand in the industry. So, in this video, I'm going to break down why certifications matter more than you think, why projects separate you from everybody else, and how you can use both to pivot into IAM, even if you're stuck currently in the entry level role. Let's start with the truth. Most people won't tell you hiring managers in IAM don't really care about theory. What they do care about is, can you troubleshoot access issues? Do you understand SSO, MFA, or provisioning? Can you actually work tickets in a real production environment? See, a degree might get your foot in the door, but certifications plus hands on projects are what get you the job. Because IAM is not a memorize and pass field, it's a show me you can do it field. Now, let's talk certifications. Certifications are important, but not for the reason people think. They don't make you an expert. However, they make you credible. Certs like CompTIA Security Plus, when you combine it with a Microsoft Identity and Access Administrator, or a Okta Certified Administrator, or a CyberArk Defender, these tell employers, okay, this person understands IAM concepts. But here's the problem. Most people stop there, and that's why they don't get hired. Because you can't walk into an interview and just say, yeah, I know SAML, OAuth, and provisioning. You need to say, I configure SSO between Entra ID and the application. I perform troubleshooting for MFA failures tied to conditional access policies. And I handled a joiner mover lever lifecycle scenario. That's what actually gets you attention. This is where most people lose and where you can win. Hands-on projects are what turn you from certified into hireable. And I can actually give you some real examples of that. So what you should consider doing is building a home lab with Active Directory and Entra ID. Learn to set up a SSO using SAML or OIDC. You want to configure MFA policies and test different scenarios. Creating AD groups and simulating access provisioning. Even a tool like SailPoint ISC in a lab environment can help you understand identity governance. So you want to simulate actual tickets that can come in the queue. User can access application. MFA is not working. My account is currently locked out. Now here's the key. Don't just do the project, learn how to talk about it, because in IAM interviews, your experience is judged by how you explain the problem, the solution, the impact, and what you learned. That is the exact framework that I use in interviews and what I teach my clients, and that's how you stand out. Let's address the elephant in the room. Do you need a degree to get into IAM? Short answer, no. Does it help? Sure. But I've seen people with degrees get passed over, and people with certifications and real IAM projects actually get hired. Because at the end of the day, IAM is tied to business impact. If you mess up access, that means that people can't work. If the security is weak, the company is at risk. So employers want people who can execute, not just explain the theory. So if you're watching this and thinking, all right, well, what do I actually do next? Here's your roadmap. Getting a foundational certification, for example, Security Plus, will be that entry level that you can use to gain foundational knowledge. Then you can start building hands-on IAM projects immediately. Learn how to speak IAM in interviews. You want to tailor your resume to IAM, not just general IT. And you want to apply with strategy, not randomly. You shouldn't be doing 100 job applications, especially when you're trying to target IAM roles. Just isn't feasible in today's market. You can pivot out of help desk or that entry level role into IAM faster than you actually think. Now, if you're serious about getting into IAM and you don't want to waste months or even years figuring this out on your own, that's exactly why I offer one-on-one consultations and a full IAM mentorship program where I actually help you build real roadmaps. I fix your resume. I prepare you for interviews, and I give you real world IAM scenarios. So you're not just guessing, you're executing with a plan. If that's something you're interested in, check the link in the description. If this video helped you out, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.